who will be the manager will go come up as the best manager out of these 4 new managers in the big clubs in Premier League? Man City no be a club where they always chase manager after 2 years or 3 years. They always allow their manager go far. Maybe they allow them proof point, say, yes, see the reason why they sign me with this.
Rashford also don't come back. Also.
So now just me we need for the squad. But on the other hand, Maresca get the squad. And experienced manager still get the experience. But so in the Premier League now, most of the top 6 teams get new managers.
Yeah.
Man U, Carrick play part of the season, but he still be new manager because now this season go take progress.
Full work.
May we see how in full work go be. In the other hand,
one, he just want to take us go Champions League.
In the other hand, Man City, Pep don't hand over to Maresca. But we know whether Maresca will carry us go relegation. Players do.
Maresca go really work well with
players do, but
because as in do for Chelsea, they carry one.
I know say if he do well, but we will see. In the other hand, Chelsea, Xabi Alonso. We don't see as him go for the matter go for Real Madrid before he come the kind Chelsea. But when he be there, what's him be name? This club where the Bundesliga. When he be there by Leverkusen, he really play very, very well.
He really play unbeaten.
He go unbeaten. But you know if you can't Chelsea go unbeaten because we know Chelsea no like that.
They will show their true color.
In the other hand, Liverpool, they still get Andoni Iraola. So now still new manager where they're not new to the league. Iraola but they new to the club, different players, different approach, that kind of thing. So I don't know. For me, I feel like who will be the manager will go come up as the best manager out of these 4 new managers in the big clubs in Premier League?
Among all these new managers will come, I think personally if you come up, we go down they already get experience for Premier League na Maresca for Man City because he get the squad when he play with.
And he manage one big club.
And he don't manage one big club before. So I think now Maresca will be the manager why I not say go first pick up. And that next season, the way that table go the jump.
Nobody go just climb.
Nobody go just because I thought I go try make carry back to back. Chelsea go try, Xabi Alonso go try, maybe say they go Champions League or say they carry the league as
now they play.
They know they go Champions League. Same with Maresca and Carrick also. Carrick also with Carrick. So everyone will just try, but I think personally go first pick up among the new managers now Maresca because he already play with big club before, so he don't get experience. And Man City na a very good club where get players.
The backup managers also.
With backup managers. So I think
the main thing for me, I say, I feel like say Carrick go still there.
Carrick go normally Carrick go pick now.
He don't half season, half of last season. I watching him play. Carry Man U go Champions League football. So now the same profile of players when you see get, except say Casemiro come out and Santos and Telemans come in. So now just more adjustment we need.
Rashford also don't come back. Also.
So now just more adjustment we need for the squad. But on the other hand, Maresca get the squad. And experienced manager still get the experience, but nobody knows how things go turn up. And on the other hand, Man City no be a club where they always chase manager after 2 years. Or 3 years, they always allow their manager go far. Maybe they allow them proof point, say, yes, see the reason why they sign me with this. But I don't know what they think. So maybe we'll know that thought for conversation about who will be the best manager who will come up for the Premier League out of the new managers will come up for the top teams. So maybe we'll see that thought for the comment section.